Hi, I invite you to a lecture about ligaments and joints of the vertebral column. We will discuss connections which allow us to perform spinal movements. Within the spine, we can distinguish long connections that connect with each other more than two vertebrae and short connections that connect only two vertebrae to each other. Let's start with long connections. We can see the sagittal section in this figure. A thin structure runs along the anterior surface of the vertebral body is anterior longitudinal ligament. We have it here. It runs through the entire spine from the C1 to the sacrum. Since we have anterior ligament, then it is also present posterior longitudinal ligament, which runs on the posterior surface of vertebral body. It can be said that it limits the vertebral canal from the anterior side, and similarly as the previous ligament also extends from the cervical spine to the sacrum. Looking at the posterior part of spinous processes, we also see the longitudinal structure, and we call it supraspinous ligament because it runs above the processes. Supraspinous ligament runs from the C7 to the sacrum bone. But what about the cervical spine? It is provided by a nuchal ligament, which has the same course but going from the occipital bone to the C7 vertebra. Now we will go to short connections. In this figure, I would like to show intervertebral joints, a place of connection of articular processes. In the spine, there are 23 pairs of such joints because atlas and axis have more sophisticated connections. Learning about these joints, you can also meet the name.
Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. If you are interested in video lectures, I invite you to my website schoolofanatomy.com. You can find there full versions of lectures and quizzes divided into topics. School of Anatomy is also a place where you can compete with other students, earning achievements and medical ranks. So, if you want to be on time with anatomical knowledge, subscribe my channel and newsletter. Links are below this film. Thank you for your attention. See you at the School of Anatomy. Maciej Haberka.